How to apply for an LMIA-Based Work Permit in Canada online. Yes, I said online. You want to work in Canada in 2025. If you receive a job offer from a Canadian employer, chances are that you will need an LMIA-Based Work Permit. In this video, I walk you through. So make sure you know what that is. What's an LMIA? Who needs one? How to apply for your work permit online, step-by-step guide. What documents do you need? Common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started, people. What's an LMIA? Because we say LMIA. What is an LMIA? What does it stand for? It stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. It's a document Canadian employers need to get from Employment and Social Development Canada before they can hire a foreign worker. It proves there's a shortage of Canadian available for that role. Types of LMIA-based jobs varies. Some are construction workers. In Canada, they are always looking for cooks and chefs, caregivers, truck drivers, tech professionals in some cases. Do you need an LMIA? Not every job in Canada requires an LMIA. Some are LMIA exempt, like under international agreement, e.g., COSMA, intra-company transfer postgraduate work permit. But if your job does need one and you're applying from abroad or while in Canada, you must have the LMIA approval first. If your employer gives you an LMIA approval letter and a job offer letter, you're ready to apply. What you need before you apply? Because some people will just rush and be applying when they don't have. To apply for your LMIA-based work permit online, you will need from your employer copy of the positive LMIA, job offer letter with wage, duties, hours, and location. From you will need a valid passport. You will need a proof of work experience. You will need educational credentials if required for the job. You will need language tests for high wage regulated rules, police certification, and medical if required. Tips: make sure your documents are scanned, clear, and in English or French. How then do you apply online? You walk through on the IRCC site. Now let's go step by step through the online process. You go to your www.canada.ca. You choose immigration. You choose work. Then you hit apply for a work permit. Then you click apply online. And then you have to create your GC key or sign in through your IRCC account. Then you have to select work permit from outside Canada or inside Canada if you are already visiting or studying here in Canada. Complete the eligibility tool, answer truthfully. Upload all required documents: passport, LMIA letter, offer of employment, proof of qualifications, digital photo. Pay the application fees, which ranges from $155 for your biometrics. Submit the application. You will receive a confirmation letter and instruction for biometrics. Biometrics are medical. If you haven't submitted biometrics before, you will get a request within a few days. Go to a VAT or biometric collection center. If your job is in healthcare, okay, childcare, yes, What next? Agriculture. Yes. You also need a medical exam with a panel physician. Processing time. It varies. Processing time for LMIA-based work permit varies by country. In 2025, most applications take between 6 to 12 weeks. You will get approval letter, port of entry letter of introduction. Work permit is issued at airport or border when entering Canada. Important. You cannot work until your permit is physically issued, even if you're already in Canada as a visitor. Common mistakes to avoid, because most people always think that they know too much. Avoid these mistakes: submitting without LMIA, incorrect or expired job offer, uploading low quality documents, missing deadline, especially biometrics, assuming your employer can sponsor you without approval. Triple check everything. IRCC will reject incomplete or misleading applications. Final tips. What next? If you are applying for an LMIA-based work permit in 2025, make sure you have a real approved job offer. You apply before your status expires if you're inside Canada. You are prepared to transition to PR after 1 year through CEC or PNP. Download my free LMIA work permit checklist in one of my other videos. You have to watch my videos to get that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll keep dropping you latest updates so that if you're interested, you get your stuff ready. And don't forget to apply if you have or you want to come to Canada. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.